ADP Workforce Now lets you effectively address business challenges with an integrated HCM solution that supports most of your HR needs. But when it comes to complex compensation planning, you need a little something extra. CompXL gives you more with a set of tools that can help your comp team design and manage everything from merit pay programs to multifaceted bonus plans, including automatic data feeds with a seamless integration inside ADP Workforce Now. CompXL brings all the relevant information to your key decision makers in one compact view, cutting cumbersome administrative comp planning cycle time by up to 75% and making your comp team more efficient and a lot more effective. We've combined the flexibility and formula compatibility of Excel with the power and accessibility of the cloud, all in one fluid, time-saving, and comprehensive comp solution. CompXL gives your comp team the agility they need to do exactly what they're meant to do: attract, reward, and retain the best talent in your industry, which is the smartest and most sustainable way to take the lead and keep that lead. Find out how CompXL lets you incentivize without compromise. Empower your teams and workforce with CompXL. Schedule a 10-minute demo today.